Do you have one of these 12-volt Milwaukee jigsaws, and every time you make a cut, this shoe adjustment seems to come out and you end up at like a 30-degree angle by the time you're done? Here's the quick fix. All you need is a 5/32 Allen wrench. Open the release for the bottom shoe adjustment. Now, this Allen screw at the bottom, you'd think, well, to tighten it, normally you'd go clockwise, but actually, you want to go maybe a quarter turn or an eighth of a turn counterclockwise. And now, when you close this, you will have significantly more friction, and this base is locked into place.